Hello everyone, so in this video I would like to share how we actually mounting the remote control and keyless entry for the LANDCRUISER HJ45, and this guy is 1980. It took a long time. We already got the part, but now we have time to do the job. So you already see this is a driver's seat, and the door lock here, mechanism here, and the new motor is here. This is the main motor, central locking. So you can see it has 5 different wires, and the motor is mounted directly here on the side. It used the supply meter bracket directly out of the box when we order it. So you can see that this one just fit in by 2 screw holding here on the door, and 2 screw holding the motor on the frame, and the wiring cable tied to the frame. We trim up the rod to the suitable length and adjust the position here to the right position to lock and unlock. And in this case we actually using this remote control. You can see that now it's open. Now press lock, it is lock, and open, it is open. Okay, lock and open. And yeah, that is the motor for the driver's side, which is the main controller motor with 5 different wires. But on the other doors and other motor we only have 2 blue and green wires. And if you want to know what wire is what wires, we will talk in another video, explain exactly what and how to connect the wiring, which is fairly simple for this setup, which actually we connect from a set of the high quality remote control setup for this car. So stay tuned and see you on the next one.